The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S is a midsize cruiser motorcycle designed to blend classic cruiser style with modern performance and everyday practicality. Unlike traditional cruisers that focus mostly on retro looks and big V-twin engines, the Vulcan S takes a slightly different approach by using a liquid-cooled 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the same basic engine found in some of Kawasaki's sportier bikes, but tuned for smooth, usable power. This gives the Vulcan S a character that's friendly for both new riders and more experienced ones who want a fun, reliable bike. One of the standout features of the Vulcan S is its ergonomic design. The bike sits with a long and low cruiser stance, featuring a low seat height that helps many riders put their feet nearly flat on the ground, which is especially helpful when learning or riding in traffic. Kawasaki also includes its ergo fit system, allowing adjustments to the seat, handlebars, and foot pegs so the bike can be more comfortable for a wider range of rider sizes. This means a shorter person can bring the controls in closer, while a taller rider can adjust things for better reach and comfort. The engine itself produces smooth mid-range torque rather than extremely high peak power, which makes acceleration predictable and confidence-inspiring. It's plenty strong for city riding and highway cruising, and the 6-speed transmission shifts cleanly. Because the power delivery is balanced rather than aggressive, it's easy to control in everyday situations. From a handling perspective, the Vulcan S feels lighter and more nimble than many other cruisers. Its chassis strikes a balance between straight-line stability and cornering ability, so it's comfortable both in traffic and on twisty back roads. The suspension is tuned for everyday comfort, and while it's not super soft like big touring cruisers, it absorbs bumps well enough for daily riding and weekend trips. Braking performance includes a front and rear disc with optional ABS, providing reliable stopping power and added safety. The instrument panel is simple and functional, giving essential ride information without unnecessary complexity. The styling of the 2026 model keeps a modern cruiser look with blacked-out mechanical parts and contemporary bodywork. It's not flashy, but it's clean and appealing to riders who like a mix of classic and modern design. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S is a versatile, comfortable, and approachable cruiser that fits a wide range of riders, combining cruiser comfort with smooth, usable performance.